Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a Google form with no sign-in requirement. So in here, I've already opened the forms page, docs.google.com/forms, and I'm going to create a form. Let's say I want to create this t-shirt sign up form. So just click on the form that you want to create or just open the form. So after this, you need to go to the Google Form settings. So click on the settings tabs in here at the top and click on the drop down under the responses section. Okay, so if you scroll down, there is this require sign-ins option. So you need to turn this off because if it's on, then the respondent will be required to sign into their Google account. So let's turn this off. And you need to also make sure that the collect email address is on the do not collect, because if it's on verified, then the respondents need to sign in. And after that, you can just proceed with the form, or you can also just share it right away. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.